Sure, ma'am. Have a look. Yes, sir. Washing machines?
Show it to her. It's her department.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a unisex washing machine?
UNISEX. Adya, all machines wash both men and women's clothes.
No, I think ours is a ladies only machine. Because you never touch it.
So, ma'am, then you must see Lloyd washing machines. With UV-Tron technology, inverter technology, an easy swipe touch panel, and
So easy that even Sir can do the washing.
You swipe and it starts. You swipe and it stops.
Lloyd, खुशियों की guarantee.
Adya, let's do the washing when you are free, na?
It's a Lloyd UNISEX washing machine, remember?
Experiment मत करो, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई तो?
Don't worry. इस पे 6 साल की वारंटी भी है. So don't wash your hands off it, no? Wash the clothes.
Lloyd, खुशियों की guarantee.